Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to get Robux without buying in 2025 using safe and legit methods inside Roblox. The first way is through creating and selling items. With Roblox Premium, you can design shirts, pants, or even full accessories. Every time someone buys your creation, you earn Robux. Another method is by making a game. Even a simple obby or a hangout generate Robux if players enjoy it. You can add game passes or developer products so players spend Robux inside your game, which then goes straight to you. If you are in a group, you can also receive payouts from group funds. Many groups pay members for helping with builds, design, or community events. And don't forget about events and promotions. Roblox sometimes hosts challenges where completing tasks reward you with a free item, and in some cases, those items can be resold later for Robux, for example, UGCs. What you should never do is trust a third-party websites for free Robux generators. They are scams that steal your accounts. The only safe way are creating, selling, and earning inside Roblox itself. So focus on building, designing, and joining active groups, and you will see your Robux grow over time without spending money. Thanks everyone for watching.